for everything that we do, there is a business reason behind it. And it's not like technologies that we use with Industrial Metaverse suddenly address new problems that we didn't have before. So for us, all the use cases that we implement always has to somehow address making our processes better, helping our people, and solve problems sustainably and faster. So simulation and the digital twins help us optimize our processes in operations so far that we know we're always in a resource-efficient way of operating. I think the main and the biggest thing that many people also in the industry will resonate with is we're working here in a brownfield environment. So we're working with legacy systems with established, data sources and all of this. So really making the vision come to life with having the digital twins and all the data that we need in one place, and maybe putting software-based automation and artificial intelligence on top of it. It's a process, and it's also something that we need to address carefully when it comes also to the architecture behind it. Because in the end, what we aim to create is a scalable framework that can last.